Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of Let's March. It is a Nobel acceptance speech by Kailash Satyarthi. Warming up. First question. What difference do you notice in the two images? Answer. In first picture, a boy is working, and in second picture, the boy is going to school on the bicycle. Second, which of the two situations should change? Answer. The situation in the first picture should change. Third, how and when can the situation change? Answer. When the parents of the child have the awareness and financially well in position, they may provide their child education and healthy lifestyle. Also, people can help the child by giving things or adopting him for educational purpose. Next, how can you as a student contribute and help make a difference to the needy children? Answer. I will help the needy children in following ways. A. I will give my old standard books to the needy children. B. I will donate my clothes, uniforms, shoes, and other necessary things to them. C. I will tell my parents to help those children. D. I will tell about the needy children to my teachers, local social workers, politicians, etc. to help them. Question first A. A good well-organized speech contains the following characteristics and steps. First, a speech should be well planned. Second, the language used should be suitable to the audience. Third, it should have the right duration. Fourth, it should be supported with good examples, episodes, and visual aids where possible. B. Refer to page 26 for a reference to the steps to be followed in the speech and do the activities given below. Read the expressions given below and insert them in your notebook in the proper boxes as shown below. Greeting and salutation. Honorable Chief Guest, eminent dignitaries, respected management and staff, student friends. Good morning one and all present today. Introduction. I would like to share with you an example from my own experience. Today, I would like to put forth my views on the renowned personality XYZ says, if we think about the situation around us, we notice that body of the speech, imagine what will happen after 10 years. The research report says that I don't understand why we are so negative about this issue. If we think about the situation around us, we notice that. Conclusion. Think again and again and then move forward. I would like to express my gratitude towards the organizers of this function for giving me opportunity. Margin questions. First, what does the speaker feel honored to recite? Answer. A mantra from ancient text of wisdom, Vedas. Second, how does the speaker describe his journey from India to Norway? Answer. His journey from India to Norway is a connect between two centers of global peace and brotherhood, ancient and modern. Third, what terrible thing was the Sudanese child forced to do? Answer. The terrible thing the Sudanese child forced to do was to kill his friends and family. Next, what does Satyarthi refuse to accept? Answer. Satyarthi refuses to accept that all the temples and mosques and churches and prayer houses have no place for the dreams of our children. Next, what is the only aim in life for Kailash Satyarthi? Answer. Kailash Satyarthi's only aim in life is that every child is free to be a child, to grow and develop, to eat, sleep, laugh, cry, play, learn, to go to school and to dream. Next, what are the signs of progress that the speaker mentions? Answer. The signs of progress that the speaker mentions are: first, the number of out-of-school children is reduced by half. Second, the number of child laborers is reduced by 1/3. Third, child mortality and malnutrition are also reduced. Fourth, millions of child deaths have prevented in the last couple of decades. Next, what social role are the three daughters playing? Answer. The three daughters are rising up and choosing peace over violence, tolerance over extremism, and courage over fear. Next, what lesson does the story of the lion and the tiny bird teach us? Answer. We have to do our best, though it is so small or little. Next, what does millions of individuals demand 8 years ago? Answer. Millions of individuals demanded a new international law for the abolition of first form of child labor. Next, what problems do the poor children face? Answer. The poor children stitches footballs, yet never played with one. They harvest cocoa, yet they never tasted chocolate. They are dying of Ebola. They are kidnapped and held hostage. Next, why does the 8 years old girl's question shake Mr. Satyarthi? Answer. The 8-year-old girl's angry question shakes Mr. Satyarthi because he had no answer to give. Next, what matters according to Satyarthi? Answer. Every single minute matters, every single child matters, every single childhood matters. Next, what does Satyarthi challenge? Answer. The passivity, the pessimism surrounding the children, the culture of and neutrality challenges Mr. Satyarthi. Next, what was Mr. Satyarthi's vision as a child? Answer. Mr. Satyarthi's vision as a child was to see the cobbler's boy sitting with him in his classroom. Next, what was the response of the boy's father? What was the Satyarthi's reaction to it? Answer. The boy's father said that they were born to work. That answer made Satyarthi feel angry. Next, what is your vision of tomorrow? Answer. My vision is that every child should have the right of quality education. Next, what rights should every child have in our times? Answer. In our times, every child should have a right to school, a right to life, right to freedom, right to health, right to education, right to safety, right to dignity, right to equality, and right to peace. Next, what does Mr. Satyarthi request the listeners to do? Answer. Mr. Satyarthi requests the listeners to put your hands close to your heart, close to your eyes, and feel the child inside you. Next, according to Mr. Satyarthi, who are calling on us? Answer. According to Mr. Satyarthi, thousands of Mahatma Gandhis, Nelson Mandelas, and Martin Luther Kings calling on us.